Commander Shepard, and this is my favorite unboxing on the Citadel. Hi guys, welcome to another mildly inebriated unboxing with Thomas. This time I'm enjoying the pleasures of a golem. Cheers. Delicious. Right, so we've got another very interesting packaging in today, and let's go open her up. I'm gonna try not to slaughter any of the boxes beneath, which is a bit difficult when they package it like this. I hope this is not the final packaging. Let's see. It took a while for this package to get to me because I insisted on it being an actual production package rather than a prototype or a pre-production model. But now it finally is here. God, I must have had so many requests for this. The Wooting Lekker edition. Wow, this box looks really, really clean. For those of you who don't know, lekker is a Dutch word. It basically means tasty, but it can mean a lot of different things depending on the context. It's an extremely versatile word. It's very quintessentially Dutch. I guess that's why they call it that. Also includes a wrist rest. I think, yes. There you go. I think I already have one of these actually. Yeah, I have one very similar to this. They are quite nice. I used one of these at work for a while. It's a flexible, thick wrist rest that you can use, well, the other way around obviously, that you can use like that. It's not bad. That looks like a packing slip. Get rid of that. And then finally the real goods. So nice. Right. Oh, there's also a whole bunch of things in the oh, look at that. Looks like it's a translation of the word lekker in a whole bunch of different languages. Gostoso, nostimo, duidelijk, délicieux, etc. Yeah. Man, they're really going for the whole lekker thing, aren't they? Right, it's a little drawer, just like that Everest keyboard I opened. And, whew, starting to understand the choice of color in the box. Go away. Right, and for some, not quite sure, but there's a sausage logo here, which I'm gonna guess is supposed to be a rookworst. Man, these guys are really going all out Dutch, I think. One puller, one cable, 4 switches, 1 snack bar. Okay. I'm intrigued now. Let's have a look. Ooh, that'll be the puller, the switches. Here's the cable. Looks like it matches the color scheme. Interesting. And snack bar, I'm gonna guess that's a custom space bar. And it is. It's it's a space bar with a whole bunch of snacks on it. Don't know how well that focuses, probably not. Okay. Wow. Jesus, and I thought I was a nerd. Ring puller with, wow, with a finger hole in it so you can get more grip. Wow. an over-engineered keycap puller. I wonder if there is a switch puller as well. Shouldn't there be one? Because pretty sure these switches should be hot swappable, so it would make sense if there was a switch puller, but there doesn't appear to be one. Anyway, whatever. Take the protector off. Greetings from Wooting. Wow, they're really going for the snack theme. Gonna guess that's related to the Lekker thing. Your contribution has brought the Lekker switch and keyboard to life. We owe you more than a polite thank you. If you ever need a favor, write it down here and send the postcard to us. We will do our best to make it happen. Okay. Interesting. We helped you a hand and kept the super boring paper manual out. Instead, quickly get started by visiting Wooting.io. Quick start. So no paper manual? That's a shame. I kind of like paper manuals myself, to be honest, but oh well. Anyway, visually it looks very similar to the original Wooting, which I also have. But it has a top plate here, a slightly blue top plate. Don't know how well you can see that. Fairly light. Not too bad though. And at least, thankfully, this one is full size. The original Wooting I got was 10 keyless, which was a bit of a shame, to be honest. Right. So, let's have a look at this thing. So the cable is USB-C to USB-A. I wonder if my USB hub has enough power to power this thing. I've had a couple of issues of late with modern keyboards not liking the USB-C hub. I think it's just got too little power or something. I'm not sure. I don't want to go really into review mode because, well, this is just an unboxing. And I'd like to take my time to form a coherent opinion, but just a first impression would be nice, I think. Just open a test typing program. There you go. Plug this fucker in. Whee! RGB. It's not quite so easy to see because the keycaps are non-translucent. Can you see from the side, maybe? Yeah, I think you can, right? Right. Let's see. That is interesting. Oh man, this is going to be an interesting keyboard to review. Keycaps are Dysub PBT. I'm gonna guess. Looks like it. Now, if I look at the box, I'm just gonna get the box back. In contrast to pretty much every modern keyboard I've unboxed for the last year or something, I don't know. This has virtually no feature listings anywhere on the box at all. So, you know, very clean design. But it leaves me very little to read up, or read aloud, you know, in terms of features and whatnot. In any case, I know this has a whole bunch of features. The original Wooting was an optoelectric keyboard, but they switched to Hall effect at some point, I think because that was a bit easier to do in an analog way. They had to use a fairly complicated set of prisms and focusing optics, whatnot, to make the original Wooting keyboard truly analog. But I guess it's much easier to do with the Hall effect, so that's why they switched. I do have a few loose switches around of that, and I think I even did a switch teardown if you're interested in how they work. But I don't want to give away too much, but it's pretty nice. Anyway, there's loads to talk about this keyboard, but that's definitely gonna come in the review, not here. In any case, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later.